So, let's talk about the elephant in the room, your job. Because right now, Nvidia's CEO Jensen Huang is standing in a boardroom somewhere, holding a presentation that might have just erased millions of entry-level careers. And no, I'm not being dramatic. This is about AI agents, digital workers that cost companies $0 to hire. And guess what? They're already here. But this isn't just another AI story. This is about something very specific happening right now. See, while everyone's been focused on DeepSeek, Nvidia just quietly launched something that could fundamentally change how companies think about their workforce. And when you combine this with OpenAI's latest announcement about autonomous AI agents, we're looking at a perfect storm for entry-level jobs. But let's dive deeper into what's actually happening here. Nvidia just released their Nemo platform. Think of it as a factory for creating AI workers, not just chatbots, but full-on digital employees that can understand complex tasks, make decisions, and work across different areas of your business. And they're processing data 30 times faster than before with their new H100 chips. Now here's where it gets interesting. Jensen dropped this bomb in his latest presentation. You don't have to produce chips or software anymore. You just have to produce intelligence. That's corporate speak for why hire entry-level workers when you can train AI to do anything. Jensen compares this shift to the Industrial Revolution. Back then, factories replaced artisans. Today, AI replaces thinking. But what makes these AI agents different from the tools we already have? Well, imagine having a digital employee who never sleeps, never takes breaks, and can handle everything from customer service to data analysis. They don't just follow rules, they're systems that can understand complex goals, make independent decisions, and adapt to new situations. Think about what happens when you hire a new graduate for a moment. You spend months training them, showing them the ropes, helping them understand your company's systems. With Nvidia's Nemo platform, companies can now train AI agents using their existing data in just days. And once trained, these agents can work 24/7, handling multiple tasks simultaneously without any assistance. Now, let's see how this is already playing out in the real world. Amazon's using AI to manage warehouse inventory, cutting their need for logistics coordinators by 20%. GitHub's Copilot, powered by Nvidia's tech, is writing so much code that junior developers are seeing their roles shrink. This isn't like robots replacing factory workers. This is AI replacing thinking. That entry-level marketing job, an AI agent can now write ads, analyze performance, and optimize campaigns faster than any human. That junior coding position, AI is already writing better code than most bootcamp grads. Customer service role, AI agents are handling complex queries in multiple languages while you're sleeping. The game has changed. PwC estimates AI could add 15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. That's great for business, but what about the 300 million jobs Goldman Sachs says could be affected? The entry-level positions, the traditional starting points for careers, are first in line for this transformation. But on the bright side, it's not all doom and gloom. AI isn't here to replace people, it's here to reinvent how work gets done. Think of these agents as your 24/7 co-pilots. They won't do 100% of your job, but by handling 50% of the grind, debugging code, drafting emails, crunching data, they free you to focus on what humans excel at: creativity, strategy, and big picture innovation. So each employee is now 10 times more productive. For example, imagine being a solo founder with a killer idea, but no cash for a team. In the past, you're screwed. But now, AI agents are like your army of digital employees working 24/7. Your customer service? Handled. Basic code? Written. Marketing content? Created. Inventory? Managed. All while you sleep. It's like having a startup team that never needs a break and never complains. 3 people with AI can now build what used to take 30. That's not an exaggeration. We're talking about solo founders straight up outmaneuvering tech giants because their AI workforce never stops hustling. History repeats itself. The Industrial Revolution didn't end jobs, it created new ones. AI will do the same. Hybrid designers, AI ethicists, roles we can't even name yet. And creativity? AI can generate a logo, but not a brand's soul. It can write a script, but not a story that moves hearts. The future belongs to those who merge human creativity with AI's raw efficiency. So, while the changes ahead are significant, they also hold immense potential. Like they say, the future of artificial intelligence systems is not about creating machines that can replace humans, but about developing technologies that can augment and empower us to achieve greater things. And in the short term, some jobs may suffer.